Hey guys, it's Felicia. Welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial will be over Everglow's very new song, Dun Dun. So I will be doing the first chorus tutorial. So this is the explanation part of this tutorial. If you want the music section, go ahead and click up there. I will be doing, this way. It is 75, 90, and full speed. In this video, we will be doing step by step. February is a super busy month for K-pop, so hopefully I'll be able to do lots of tutorials. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, so you will be the first ones to see this tutorials. So let's get into this tutorial. As per usual, don't forget this video is mirrored, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start a few beats before the chorus actually begins. So first, take your hand, right hand into a fist, left over, and so most of the members do this. So we're going to lean to the right, okay, and then I'm gonna lean to the left, we're gonna lean to the right, and then we're gonna just all of a sudden drop like as if our arms are spaghetti, and then we're going to get into this stance where the left leg is kind of pointed to the left side, and we're going to drop down, okay? So it says you're so done, done, go to the left, done, done, go to the right, done, done, and drop, okay? Cool, the next move, so once we drop, it says you're so done, okay? We're going to be a big macho man. Again, we just spaghetti, bounce twice in place, and done, okay? You're gonna jump up, cross like an X, come down and grab. So here, okay, so immediately stick your chest out for the first one. First beat, 1, 2, okay? Cool. After we hit 1 and the second one, we're going to come cross, okay? So bring your knees in and then come out, okay? Again, knees in. I'm going to bring my head lower a little bit, down and hit up, all right? Again, we just come spaghetti, and then you're so dumb, 2, and then hit down. Cool? All right, the next movement, we're going to hit twice, okay? So come up with hammer fists, 1, 2, to the right. Now we're gonna grab from the left, okay, with our right arm. Come grab, 1, the other side with your left, grab. Now the next one, imagine like you're doing something really, really heavy, like you're trying to grab something really heavy. So the first time doesn't work, but the second time you pull it, you yank it, and you kind of kick out. Okay, so you're gonna pull and fling it. Pretty simple so far. So let's start from the very top again. So we just, over here, come lean right, lean left, lean right, spaghetti, just let loose. You're so jump, 1, 2, now cross, now hammer twice, grab. Now grab with your left, now yank, pull, here. All right, cool. So now the next movement, we just yanked and now we're facing to the right side. Now I'm going to grab my arm. So left on top, right on bottom. So come here and we're going to move our shoulders in and like our whole entire chest in a counterclockwise position, okay? So we just through and here. Now we come 1, 2. Right? Okay, again, we come yank, pull, hit, now 1, 2, and now I'm facing to the left. After we go 1, 2, open your hands as if like your palms facing up, and we're going to act like we're shoving something up, okay? So we're gonna hit 1, 2. Now, notice how my left leg moves with it too. So moves back, sticks, moves back, stick. Okay, so come 1, 2, push, push. Okay, now we just did the push 2. Now we're going to walk it out, all right? And we want the right leg to be in front of the left. Okay, so now the next movement, we come and we snake with our right arm. So we're going to palms facing out that way. So we come 1, now left immediately follows, and then we're going to look between our second and third finger, okay? So again, come 1, 2, 3, 4. So notice how when I did 1, 2, the one on the third beat, I gently bring my right foot behind and now my left foot is in front. Come 3, 4. Now the next movement, come hit 1, okay? Cool. So again, we come 1, 2, 3, 4, and hit. Now the next movement, they're changing formations, but Mia, I believe, is that how you pronounce her name? But she comes 1 and 2, 3, okay? So open your body, open your chest to the audience, okay? But your left leg comes down. Bring your right arm up, and my body is facing, but my face is still facing the audience. Come here, and 3. Okay, so again, 1, 2, 3. Cool. So I think this is a good point where I go back to here, and then I'll start from the top, and then we just have one little bit left for the chorus. So let's imagine we're yanking that thing like a carrot really, really hard. Come 1, 2, now together, come rotate, hit, hit, push up, now walk 2, 3, and right, left, come right, left, and hit. Now lean, lean, lean. Start from the very, very top. So wow, okay, let's bring it together. So again, fist, lean right, lean left, now we lean right, drop it down, you're so jump, 1, 2, and cross. Now hammer, hammer, grab, and carry, hit, 1, 2, push up, now walk, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, right, left, and hit, lean, lean, lean. Cool. Now, once I finished with 1, lean, lean, we're going to kick up with our right foot, right leg, okay? Kick up, and we're going to bring our right arm up, so up, 1, okay? And we're going to throw our head back. But I'm going to do Yidens. So I'm going to do Yidens move. She's the center in this position during this time frame. So after you come, again, let's start from the lean. Come lean, 2, 3, come up, now 1. So I'm going to take my left hand across my body, right hand behind my head, and then come 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I'm taking my head back and then slowly rotating counterclockwise. Okay, so come 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Very last movement, we're going to come grab right, okay, chest height, come grab right, grab left. Now we're going to cross, okay, so again, so right, left, cross, now lean. I'm going to take my hands into like a cross this way, okay, left on top, and you're gonna face to the right and lean down, like so. And that is the ending position for the chorus. So let's review that section once more, and then we will do a full chorus review. Let's start from where we push up, so we come push up, okay, now we walk it out. Now, right in front, come right, left, and hit. Now, lean and lean, lean, come 1, 2, 3, 4. Right grab, left grab, cross and down. Cute. So now we have the full review. All right, let's start from the top. Come lean right, lean left, lean right, and drop yourself down. Hit and cross now. Hammer, hammer, grab and pull, yank, hit, and hit. Now push up, now walk, 2, 3, right in front, now right, left, and hit, lean, and 1, 2, 3, 4, grab, cross, down. Awesome, good job guys. Alrighty, thank you so much for learning this with me. I want to see you in the music section. Go ahead, link is in the description box below or one of these side videos. If you guys decide to cover this dance, I would love to see it. Make sure you tag me on Instagram at felicia.covers. All my other social media sites are in the description box below, so make sure to check me out on there. I would love to talk with you guys. But anyways, on to more important stuff. Let's get on with the music section. Okay, bye.